Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all fine. Okay students, before we start our study, say basmalah, bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and pray together. Rabbi zidna ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Anak-anak, perlu kalian ketahui bahwa tujuan pembelajaran hari ini adalah to talk about vacation spot and to understand new words. Tujuan pembelajaran hari ini untuk berbicara tempat-tempat yang biasanya dikunjungi ketika berlibur dan mempelajari kosakata baru. Marilah kita diskusikan beberapa pertanyaan berikut ini. Pertanyaan pertama, have you ever been on a holiday? Apakah kamu pernah berlibur? Yang kedua, where did you go? Kemanakah kamu pergi? Lalu yang ketiga, what places in your country do people like to visit? Tempat apa di negaramu yang orang suka kunjungi? Tempat-tempat yang biasanya dikunjungi banyak orang di negara kita, misalnya Monas, Taman Mini, Bali, Ancol, dan masih banyak yang lainnya. Anak-anak, sekarang silahkan kalian buka buku halaman 22. Coba kalian lihat, lalu bacalah cerita tentang tempat-tempat tersebut sambil dengarkan rekamannya ya. Selamat mendengarkan.
Unit 3, Presentation. Activity 2. Student's Book, pages 22 and 23. Read about these places.
London is the biggest city in Britain and in Europe. It is in the southeast of England. 12 million people live in London. The tallest building in London is the Canary Wharf Tower. Some of the most important people from countries all over the world visit the Queen at Buckingham Palace.
Alton Towers is in England. It is northwest of London. It is the most popular amusement park in Britain. 3 million people visit it every year. People can go on rides, and they can see Peter Rabbit and his friends on ice.
Granada Studios is in Manchester. Television programs like Sherlock Holmes were made here. It is north of Alton Towers. Some of the most famous television stars in Britain work in Granada Studios.
The Highlands of Scotland are northwest of Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland. Ben Nevis is the highest mountain in Britain, and Loch Ness is the biggest lake. Many people like to camp in the Highlands. They walk in the forests and the mountains. They think it is the best place to hike.
Cardiff Castle is one of Britain's oldest castles. It is in the centre of Cardiff, the capital of Wales. The castle walls are 2,000 years old. The banqueting hall is the largest room in the castle and one of the most beautiful.
The Giant's Causeway is in Northern Ireland. It is north of Belfast, the capital of Northern Ireland. It is on the Atlantic Ocean. At its widest point, it is 100 metres wide. There are 37,000 stone columns. The tallest column is 12 metres high. The Giant's Causeway is one of the most interesting places to visit in Northern Ireland.
Setelah kalian mendengarkan dan membaca cerita tersebut, which place would you like to visit? Tempat manakah yang ingin kalian kunjungi? Itu adalah tempat-tempat yang ada di Britain yang biasanya dikunjungi banyak orang. Sangat menarik ya. Mudah-mudahan kita nanti diberi kesempatan untuk berkunjung ke sana. Dalam cerita tersebut ada beberapa kosakata yang belum kalian fahami. Sekarang coba kalian lihat beberapa kosakata yang sudah Miss Ana siapkan, and don't forget to write down on your book. Yang pertama ada southeast, tenggara, northwest, barat laut, west, barat, north, utara, east, timur, south, selatan, the highest, paling tinggi, the most important, paling penting, the biggest, paling besar, the largest, paling luas, palace, istana, building, bangunan, amusement park, taman hiburan, famous, terkenal, highlands, dataran tinggi, lake, danau, hike, mendaki, castle, kastil, banqueting hall, aula pertemuan, causeway, tanggul. Baiklah anak-anak, sekarang coba kalian lihat halaman 23. Kalian harus melengkapi kalimat sesuai dengan yang ada di peta. Yang nomor 1, kira-kira tempat yang ada di sebelah baratnya London itu ada apa? Yang kedua, Highland of Scotland itu tempatnya atau letaknya ada di sebelah mananya The Giant Causeway. Yang ketiga, Alton Tower itu letaknya ada di sebelah mana Granada Studio. Silahkan kalian lengkapi ya. Sekarang kalian coba buka buku halaman 25 bagian 6. Kalian dengarkan rekamannya, lalu kalian tandai tempat mana saja yang akan dikunjungi oleh Faisal dan keluarganya. Lalu jangan lupa buatlah garis yang menghubungkan tempat-tempat yang akan dikunjungi oleh si Faisal. Selamat mendengarkan.
Unit 3. Practice. Activity 6. Student's Book, page 25. Listen. Draw lines on the map.
So you're going to Britain? Lucky you.
Yes, I am very excited.
Where are you going first?
We're going by plane to London. We are going to stay there 2 days.
What are you going to see?
I want to see the Tower of London and Madame Tussauds. I can't wait to see all the famous people.
Where are you going next?
Next, we're going to visit the colleges of Oxford and go on the River Cherwell in a boat called a punt.
That sounds interesting.
Next, we're going by bus to Stratford-upon-Avon. I'm going to visit the world of Shakespeare. It shows what life was like in Shakespeare's England.
Then where are you going?
Next, we're going to Alton Towers. I'm going to go on the scariest ride.
Are you really?
Well, I think so. Next, we're going to visit Granada Studios, where famous television programs are made. From there, we're going to visit the old city of Chester.
Do you come home then?
No, there's one more stop. We're going to Snowdonia, the largest national park in Wales. I want to walk up Snowdon, the highest mountain in Wales. Then we're going to fly home from London.
Can I come too?
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, pembelajaran hari ini sudah selesai. Terima kasih kalian sudah mendengarkan video Miss Ana. Sampai jumpa di lain kesempatan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.